So autumn has arrived. In the south of Piedmont, the first sign is usually the difference between day and night temperature, and especially at night the temperature can drop. So it tends to be colder inside than outside. I've been working on this project for 4 years. August was a nice month with a lot of guests. September I planned to do a lot of things, but the reality is that I'm having a bit of a hard time restarting. 1 week is full of work and then there's a slow week. Currently I'm working on my reception area, which is also going to be a common area, and lately I pretty much decided that it's also going to be my living room in the winter. There are some things I'm waiting for, orders I placed, didn't arrive yet. Well, good day to do the first step. There is some Italian bureaucracy, which can be quite frustrating. You know, closing the project, opening a business. It's a little bit out of my hands, and well, in Italy, when you think it's going to take a month, it can actually take 2 months or maybe 3 months. But I have a bit of an idea now how I'm going to do this reception area. So hopefully from next week forward I have better news for myself, since I finally decided a little bit on the layout, the lights, etc. Put these on here. guess I can put it there. Take out that one, go here. Yeah, can make some juice. And the first pomegranate. Ah. not. Okay, got that. So it wasn't too much this week, but in my defense, I also went up and down to the Netherlands for a couple of days because one of my sons is getting married and we have to go and get him a suit. I don't remember how long I haven't worn a suit, but I have to say I had to pick one myself and I look pretty handsome in a suit, if I may say so. The thing is, if your sons are getting married, you know, it's a bit of a reminder that you're getting old. And driving back, I was thinking the next call I'm gonna get, it's like, Dad, you're gonna be a granddaddy. I'm not sure if I'm ready for that. So I was thinking a little bit about my old heroes, guys like Al Pacino, Robert De Niro, Mick Jagger. I mean, they still make kids. Maybe I can beat them to it. So when that call comes like, Dad, you're gonna be a granddaddy, I can say, well, I got news for you, son. You're gonna have another brother or sister from another mother. Yeah, we're getting old. Well, I'm just kidding. Oh man. What's next? I have to paint this again. Of course, one more time, one more coat. And then I had a lot of ideas about the rest of the space. I have a lot of material left, also a lot of iron. I was thinking maybe I can, I don't want to throw it away, maybe I can make structures for tables, weld something together. So in the end I'm going to take it step by step. I guess I'm going to have some fun the upcoming weeks. That turned out very nice. I can put all the bottles and the oil and things and even a bottle of wine upstairs. It's detached from the wall, from the old wall, which was built into the hill. So it's always, when it rains, it gets wet, and like this, it stays dry. I have thought about the lights too, so I'm going to start with that. The only thing that I don't really like is that they are all like small jobs, really small jobs. A little bit of cement here and there, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Anyway, I hope to see you guys next week. So this video has a little bit from last week, a little bit from this week. And I'm gonna leave you with the scene in the evening when the lights go on. I cannot get enough of it.